Okay, let's talk about how we traded this morning. Well, first of all, I'm going to tell you I took a full loser live on stream. Everybody takes a loser. The difference is, number one, did you take your loser like a professional trader? And number two, did you make things worse? Okay. The answer to that question is I did it right, but I did take a full loss. So when we opened up, the first thing we were looking for is for price to come down to Friday's RTH halfback, get back above the strong level and take a long. And I told the group that's the first ladder. It's a dangerous trade to take. If you're wanting to be safe, you wait for the second ladder. Well, I ended up taking the first ladder and I went long right here with my stop just underneath here, and I took a full loss. Not the end of the world. I know I'm trading small. It's not a battle plan trade where I wanted price to go and really engage in price. It was a opening trade against a highly visible location. It did bounce right off the halfback. This knife catch trade would have actually turned out to be better off the halfback, but no big deal. I wanted to see a strong move back to the north, and then I took the long against the strong level, and unfortunately it went against me, and I took the loss like a professional trader. Then we mapped out on the chart saying, okay, guys, we are obviously laddering down now. No longs until the bulls can break something. And then we kept laddering down. We kept laddering down, and we finally made it down into our battle plan location here for battle plan trade number 2. We talked about in the AM briefing, and if you get the battle plan, you know this is where we were looking to engage in price last night. It made it down into the levels that we were wanting price to bounce. And so as soon as it made down there, we said, okay, now we're going to look for evidence of laddering back. Let me remove this first. We're going to talk about that in a minute. We're looking for evidence of laddering back. So we got this strong candle through here that broke this trend line, and then we called longs off of here. And many of my traders, some of them got into this trade here and added here, making 15 points per contract, and did very, very well. I did tell them to continue to mental trade as if you kept a single runner back, because this is the pathing I wanted to see happen next. I wanted it to come up to here, which was this move, come back down into here, and then go back up. And that's kind of the pathing we're having here. I don't know exactly the pathing that's going to happen, but I do know where I want to engage in price. This is battle plan trade number 2, my preferred trade. So if you got long anywhere in here, which is where we were calling long. Now, if you got long right here, you may not still be in this trade even with a single runner. But if you got in here or here at this moment, you could still be long if you kept your runner at break even. And that's one of the things we talk about often. Now, depending on what size you're trading, your buffer, your drawdown, all of that, I'm talking about ideal trade management based on a cash account. I don't know you're in an intraday trailing drawdown account or any of that stuff. So you do you know what's best for you, for your account, and where you are at. If you just needed 5 points today to get your first payout, you're going to trade that differently than if you're trading a cash account. So congratulations. I know Pappy crushed it. Roger crushed it. Joshua crushed it. James Paul crushed it. I'm actually green from my trades there as well. Unfortunately, I wasn't long here or here. So I'm not holding a runner. After taking a full loser, getting it back here, and then making a little bit of profit here, I'm done for the day. I wasn't going to trade anymore, or especially for the morning. So I'm out. Kind of stinks because this is where I want to engage in price. This was my preferred place to be long. And honestly, you know, you take a full loser here and it kind of stinks. You make it back here and you're like, okay, dude, 1 trade, 2 trade, you got 1 more trade. You get 3 punches on your trade card. And I rarely will go beyond the 3 trades. And so I'm up green. It's small. So I'm happy. And now my only goal is to just continue to watch price action, because I want to know that my mappings are correct. The ladder backs are happening. And then the goal is to keep that single runner back. So we mapped out this. And the reason why I mapped that out is I'm encouraging the traders, if you were long here, or if you're like Pappy and you were long down here, keep that single runner back. And even if you're trading ES, let's say you did ES here and you took your 15 points, drop to MES, deleverage to MES on a pullback. And we talked about coming back down into here. Could be a place to reload. You're taking 30 minutes of disgusting price action here. You're finally getting a move up. But even if you kept back a single MES, you got a 50 pointer on your hands if it makes it to the bull bear line, which is the most likely target. You keep one micro back, even at 60 points, that's $300. That's 6 ES points for just keeping a single runner back. You just made 15 points. Keep that single runner back and see where it goes. That is a cornerstone philosophy of our trading system at microstrader.com. And if you'd like to trade with us live tomorrow, it'll be free on YouTube. The battle plan is free tonight. Go to microstrader.com, click battle plan, and look at what our battle plan trades are today. This paid really well right here. If you took that and you're still in your runner, and then battle plan number 1 is how you could add to your winning trade. All right, guys, I'll see you tonight for the battle plan.